Kajala Meghalaya kaban sedap sanpuar Snem haka arpoi trek kulalangkot 8,000 pusau kan sayo ialah kejong kejing ruai la kajala lani ke state Anthem. Ya kani lapan benado menteri ba kajala Conrad ke sangma hadian kejing lang kenhun menteri haka janmiet kakat kandai trek kulalangkot 8,000 pusau bat ya kani kejing ruai on Pyllait Paidbah do menteri ba Tura. Nalor kaniu menteri ba ulah pentip bakasor karjala kalapan kre iki kerteng benyo kusnam haka Meghalaya de. Ulong bakasor karjala kalasim ya karai ban penduk no ya ke Meghalaya Civil Task Force Act 1974 bat kejingkenti ya Contingency Fund Meghalaya 2024 Amendment Ordinance.
The official state anthem has been approved by the state cabinet today, and I am thankful to the Art and Culture Department and all the individuals who are involved, who have been involved in creating the state anthem. I would like to thank them for all the efforts that have been put in, including the lyrics that were written, including the tune that was made. Many people have been involved in it, and I'll be mentioning all of that tomorrow when we'll be having the Meghalaya Day program in Tura, and I will be officially launching the state anthem tomorrow. And this is indeed a very, very happy and a very proud moment for us, because the state has been without a state anthem for the last 52 years. The Meghalaya Day Awards. And as you know that these names are announced every year on Meghalaya Day. And so this, the recommendations that have been cleared by the cabinet today will be announced on the Meghalaya Day celebration. And so I cannot give the names to you, but I'm just informing you that the recommendations today have been approved, and the names for the 3 categories for the Meghalaya Day Awards has been finalized today by the cabinet. The repeal of the Meghalaya Civil Task Force Act 1974. As you're aware that the Civil Task Force Act was made in 1974, and because of obviously the change in the systems and the fact that the need at that point in time when this Meghalaya Task Force was set up were different, and now in today's world the Meghalaya Task Force is almost redundant, where all the concerned employees who were there, necessary formalities have been completed, and they're all either retired or they've been given a golden handshake. And so therefore the Meghalaya Task Force Act in itself is actually now redundant. And hence, to ensure that there is no further complications, the cabinet today has decided that it will be repealed, and there were 3 posts that were there in that. Those will be absorbed within the department in a different branch. And so this particular act, the repeal act, will be brought in the next assembly session. The increase in the contingency fund of Meghalaya amendment, this ordinance has been brought in of 2024, and basically this is a temporary measure. So the contingency fund for the contingency fund of Meghalaya Amendment Ordinance 2024 will increase the contingency fund from 500 crores to 1,000 crores. Just so that people will understand what this technically means. As you're aware, this contingency fund is basically there because certain provisions that are there in the budgetary provisions, when they get exhausted, until unless we don't pass a supplementary demand in the assembly, then we are not able to utilize the funds or the money. Even if we have the money, we cannot utilize it until unless supplementary demands are done. So hence, in the situation where supplementary demands cannot be passed in the assembly, contingency fund provisions are used. So this is basically a provision of increasing it from 500 to 1,000 crores, because we are receiving additional funds from Government of India, and our overall revenue and other aspects of funds from center have gone up, and hence we are in a position where we will be getting additional funds for some more development work. But the provision within the budgetary provisions are not enough to use that fund. So hence the provisions are being enhanced so that we are in a position to utilize the funds that are going to come from center.